With the universal appeal of high-dollar eye candy and the road-going prowess of a fully sorted cruiser, this slick 1940 Ford sedan is a unique, well-built classic that provides its owner the best of both worlds. A head-turning street rod that's dashed with a fair amount of muscle car swagger, this all-steel Ford features a detailed custom appearance that's highlighted by a spectacular coat of Aston Martin Titanium Silver. That pigment wraps a solid profile that was stripped bare and lovingly massaged into form. And today, this classic rolls as one lights-out head-turner that's virtually guaranteed to make you weak in the knees. Installed by Finish Line Automotive Interiors of Santa Clara, California, the car's custom cockpit kicks off with modern bucket seats that are covered in a sea of plush Italian leather. A titanium silver dash hides controls for modern air conditioning behind an array of classic autometer gauges. A custom console plants a stylish Lokar shifter between modern audio and switches for power windows, and the driver spins a banjo-style steering wheel around a tilting column. It's pretty obvious this sedan was built to be driven and seen, and nowhere is that more evident than under the hood, where you'll find 427 cubic inches of stroked Ford power. That buff 427 utilizes a Ford 4-speed to turn a Ford 9-inch that's built with a posi-traction differential. This striking Ford is a nicely finished classic that was built to be driven and seen. It uses top-notch components from some of the best names in the business to create a unique custom that mixes killer personality with awesome curb appeal. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.